Okay guys, there's a quick video on how to clean your print head on your bbtransfer DTF printer. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is you got 3 little screws on this middle plate. You're going to unscrew those and take this middle plate out. We're going to clean this off as well. And you want to make sure you come here to your capping station and you lower it down all the way with this little knob right here in the front. And you're just going to turn it all the way to make sure it's down. Mine is already down. And you're going to get your little cleaning cloths. I like to use these. These are lint free and they're polyester. The cotton or anything like that, you could scratch up your print head if you have anything like that. I like to get these that are actually made for cleaning printers, mechanical things. That way you don't get any scratches. All right, so what you're going to do, I have a little flashlight because it's hard to see. And make sure your printer's off, of course, before you start doing all this. You're going to move your print head over so you can get to your capping station. And you are going to just start wiping all that ink, cleaning it up real good. You're going to clean this. This is your wiper here. You're going to clean that. Just going to take it like that. And if you got a ton of ink down here in the little hole, clean that up best you can. Just kind of maybe let it sit there and soak it up. Look at all that ink in there. I'm going to get a little bit of the cleaning solution that they give you. I'll show you here. This is the cleaning solution that bbtransfer gives you. And I'm going to put a little bit of that on one of the cloths. And I'm just going to start cleaning off all this the best I can. Get all that gunk off. Okay, so now what you're going to do is now that you have this lowered, make sure you have your capping station lowered. You can move it around freely. You're going to get one of these. Now you should have gotten these with your printer, but if you run out, you can order them on Amazon. That's where I got mine from. It's just little swabs that are lint free and scratch free. And that's what you want for your print head. And you're going to put a little bit of cleaning solution on there. All right. Then you're going to have a flashlight so you can see real good. And you're just going to get down below and you're going to start cleaning the bottom of your print head with your cotton swab like so. Try not to fling stuff everywhere like I just did. All right, so you're going to clean it real good up under there. Like I said, move it around. Get this whole thing, because you don't want any dried up ink on this, because if there is and it's hanging down, that's what's giving you those smears on your prints, if you're getting those. And also, if you're printing and your white seems to stop printing, or any color, could be this right here. You could have some dried up ink on your print head causing it not to print. And that is a simple fix to do. Like I said, maybe if you've printed a big order, it's best to do this after you're done and before you shut your printer down. It's best to clean it up real good. That way you don't have a big amount of ink dried up on your print head. So now what I'm doing is I'm getting those little lint-free cloths again. And I'm just trying to get my hand in there the best I can. Finish cleaning it up and drying it off. Okay. And you're going to look. Oh, and I forgot, if it's real bad messy up under there, you may want to get one of these and place it over your capping station like that. Because you don't want any of those big chunks of ink to fall into your capping station. Mine wasn't that bad because I just had cleaned it. So, but like I said, now you just want to get that cloth in there and dry it up the best you can. If you can't really reach in there real good to dry it off and clean it up, you can get another one of those swabs and get another one of the swabs like this and just get in there. Clean it all off. Best you can. See, I'm still getting a little bit even on that. All right, that's pretty much it. Just get it nice and clean. Move it around so you can get it. And it's going to be perfect and ready to go. Now, once you have all that, let me throw that away. You're going to want to put that metal plate back in here after you clean it. So I'm going to do that, and I'll put it back in here. I'll speed all that up for y'all. Okay, I got my metal plate back in there after I cleaned it. Let's move our print head back over. Now we're going to move our capping station back up. And that is it. You are done. And I will show y'all it printing. And if you would like to buy any of the cleaning supplies, I will have a link to my Amazon storefront. That is where I get mine from. And I will also have links to the printer if you would like to get you a bbtransfer printer with my promo code for $50 off of your purchase. All right, guys, I hope that helps you, and I will see y'all next time.
Inside a basement, LA kids just trying to make it.